Chicago's huge, packed with legendary spots, and we're hitting 5 spots that actually matter. We're diving into the food, the drinks, the attractions, the can't miss spots, and finding the best of the best. Let's get into the Chicago edition. We're starting strong with one of Chicago's most legendary bites, Pequod's Pizza. Chicago's loaded with amazing restaurants, but if you're visiting, you gotta hit a classic, and for deep dish, Pequod's is the champ. Their secret? That caramelized crust, a dark, crispy ring of mozzarella baked right up against the pan. And if you're here at lunch, they get one of the best deals around, a personal deep dish cheese for $9. Absolute steal. We tried all the big names of Chicago deep dish, and this is our winner. For the drink stop, we're picking Maplewood Brewery, a true Chicago standout. Most places either do beer or spirits, Maplewood does both. This is a spot for the true beer lovers with everything they have on tap. The Son of Juice is one of Chicago's favorite hazy IPAs. Their crispy cakes is a must try with the perfect amount of vanilla sweetness packed into a blonde ale. Other fan favorites include the Fat Pug Oatmeal Stout and Sidewalk Surfer Double IPA. With all their great picks, be sure to grab a flight. It's laid back, well crafted, and very Chicago. Stop 3 for the Chicago experience is the Architecture Riverboat Tour. Chicago is the birthplace of the skyscraper, and this is a fan favorite of everyone. This is hands down one of the coolest ways to explore any city in the US. You're literally cruising through a canyon of skyscrapers right through the heart of Chicago, while a tour guide rapid fires wild stories. Even if you're not an architecture nerd, it's entertaining, scenic, and one of the most photogenic things you can do in the city. When it comes to Chicago identity, nothing represents this city more than Wrigley Field. Whether you're a baseball fan or not, Wrigley has a vibe that's impossible to replicate. It's old school, historic, and sits right in the middle of a lively neighborhood. For the full Wrigley experience, hit up the general admission bleachers. Or if you're looking for something more elevated, check out one of their all-inclusive clubs. In the area around the stadium, Wrigleyville is full of bars, rooftops, restaurants. It's Chicago energy at its best. If the Cubs aren't in town, you can still take a behind-the-scenes tour to get the full experience of Wrigley. If you pick one sports stop in Chicago, make it this. And our wild card pick to finish it all off, Chicago's beaches. You got sand with clear blue water in front of you and the skyline right behind you. It's honestly one of the coolest contrasts in any US city. There are several beaches in Chicago lined along Lake Michigan's coast. There's Ohio Street Beach right next to Navy Pier, Oak Street Beach just steps away from Michigan Ave and the Gold Coast, and there's North Ave Beach with the lively Castaways Beach Club right there. While it may not be the Caribbean or Florida, you can't beat it for the Midwest. And that's Chicago in 5 stops. One incredible food stop, a local drink, an unforgettable experience, a true Chicago identity, and a wild card that gives the city its own flavor. Every city has a story, and this is how you do Chicago in one trip. If you want to see more cities in this series, hit like, drop a comment of what city you want to see next, subscribe, the next one will be coming soon.